Where have you been, baby? You go outside now. You go to daddy. Mommy will make up the bed. Hila, you go outside. You go with daddy. Mommy will make up the bed. Come on. Now, mommy will give a treat in the room.
I love you.
You don't like a treat. Mommy, give a treat. Hila, you don't want a treat. Mommy will go to the baby bed. No, let's go now. Let's go now. Let's go. No, let's go. Let's go now. Let's go now. What is this? Mommy will give a treat. You don't like to step up to mommy. Mommy will go now. Mommy will get a treat. You don't like a treat? I know you're hungry now. Mommy will get a treat. Ila, let's go now. Come on, let's go. Now let's go now. Ila. Let's go, daddy.
Let's go up.
Let's go beach.
Let's go bed. Let's go up.
Let's go to the beach bed.
Asam ta? It's asam ta. Let's go.
Good. Huh? Hila, you're so sleepy, baby. You look so sleepy, oh? You sleep now. Hila, you want a treat? I love you. Hi. I love you. Hila, you're so sleepy, baby. You're so sleepy. You don't want to sleep? Mommy will give a treat. Treat. You don't want to eat treat. Want a treat? It's that. Want a treat. Hila. Want a treat.